Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are facing this black screen issue on your laptop or desktop, in this video I will show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting your time, let's start with our first method. Press Ctrl key, Alt key and Delete key together. Press all the three keys together to open your Task Manager. Now click on this option, Task Manager. Now click on this option, More Details. Now click on this Process tab, the first tab. Now select this service, Windows Explorer. Select this service. Then click on Restart to restart this Windows Explorer service. Try this method and it will fix your issue. And if you are still getting the same issue, now move on to a next step. Open this Task Manager again. Then click on this File option. Then click on Run New Task. Now type services.msc and tick this option. Then click on OK to open your Windows services. Now you have to search for a service called App Readiness. This is the service, App Readiness. Right click on this service, then click on Properties. Now first stop this service. In my case, the service is already stopped. And in this startup type, change it to disabled. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK. That's it. Now cut this window. Now cut this window as well. Now again press Ctrl, Alt and Delete key to open the Task Manager. And now click on this power button. Then click on Restart to restart your system. And this will fix your issue. If you are still getting the same black screen, I will show you the next step. Press Ctrl, Alt and Delete key together again. Now what you have to do is press and hold the Shift key. Then click on this power button and then click on Restart. Press and hold the Shift key. So this option will open your advanced mode. Now release the button, the Shift key. So this is the advanced mode. Now click on this troubleshoot button. Then click on Advanced option. Now click on this option, Command Prompt. And now select your login username. Enter your password if you are using any password. Otherwise, leave it blank and click on Continue. Now you have to type few commands to repair this issue. So start with our first command, sfc/scan now. So this command will repair or replace your Windows corrupted files. Type this command and press enter. This will take few minutes. So as you can see, verification process completed. Now type the next command, chkdsk/f/r/c:. So this command will repair your hard disk. So type this command, then press enter. That's it. Now type exit. Click on continue and it will fix your issue, your black screen issue. If you are still getting the same black screen issue, open this screen again, then click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Now click on this option, startup settings, then click on restart. Now press F5 function key to open your system in safe mode. If you recently install any game or any software and after that you are getting this black screen issue, in the safe mode we are going to uninstall that software. So as you can see, now my PC is in safe mode. Click on this Windows icon and type Control Panel. Then click on this Control Panel option. Now in the view by, change it to small icons. Now click on this option, Program and Features. So if you recently install any game or any software and after that you are getting this black screen issue, simply uninstall that software. So in my system I don't have much softwares, but if you have any software which is creating problem, simply uninstall that software, right click on it and then click on uninstall to uninstall that software. After uninstalling the software, simply restart your system. So these are some troubleshooting steps you can apply to fix this black screen issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.